Electric Overhead Traveling, EOT, Crane Operator. This presentation explores the vital role of electric overhead traveling cranes in modern industrial settings, providing a comprehensive understanding of their design, operation, and safety implications. It delves into the crucial aspects of inspection, maintenance, and certification, while highlighting the importance of load integrity and risk management for safe lifting practices. Course Overview. 1. Comprehensive Program. Participants will receive training on operating and maintaining electric overhead traveling, EOT, cranes, covering safety practices and maintenance procedures to ensure safe and efficient operation in industrial settings. 2. Target Audience. Those pursuing a career as EOT crane operators in manufacturing, construction, and logistics should enroll in an EOT crane operator course. Current operators seeking to improve their skills can also benefit from this course. 3. Accreditations. Conducted as per ASME B30.2 and IOGP Lifting and Hoisting Safety RP No. 376 Guidelines. Glossary of lifting terms. Hoist. The mechanism that raises and lowers the load, typically powered by an electric motor. It includes the hoisting drum, gears, and brakes. Trolley. The system that moves the load horizontally along the crane bridge. It is usually mounted on wheels and guided by rails. Bridge. The main structural component of the crane that spans the workspace. It carries the trolley and runs on bridge girders. Key components and functions. Hoist motor. Provides the power to raise and lower the load. It is usually a three-phase AC motor. Brake system. Ensures the load remains in position, preventing accidental movement. It can be mechanical or electromagnetic. Trolley travel motor. Powers the horizontal movement of the trolley along the crane bridge, allowing the load to be positioned. Bridge travel motor. Moves the entire bridge structure across the workspace, expanding the operational area of the crane. Types of cranes. Overhead cranes. Designed for lifting heavy loads across wide areas, these cranes are mounted on elevated runways and operate from above the workspace. Gantry cranes. Similar to overhead cranes but with legs that support the bridge, these cranes are ideal for outdoor use and commonly found in shipyards and ports. Jib cranes. Smaller cranes with a rotating arm mounted on a fixed base, these versatile units are used for lifting loads within a limited area of a workspace. Mobile cranes. Self-propelled cranes mounted on wheels or tracks, offering greater flexibility and mobility than fixed cranes for various construction tasks. Design, testing, and certification. Design. Cranes are designed to meet specific load requirements, operating conditions, and safety standards. Testing. Cranes undergo rigorous testing to verify their structural integrity, lifting capacity, and operational safety. Certification. After successful testing, cranes are certified by accredited agencies to ensure they meet safety standards. Load integrity and stability. Load distribution. Ensure the weight of the load is evenly distributed to minimize stress on the crane and hoist. Center of gravity. The center of gravity of the load should be kept within the lifting capacity of the crane. Stability. Properly secure the load and avoid excessive swinging to maintain stability during lifting and movement. Risk management for safe lifting. Hazard identification. Thoroughly assess potential hazards related to crane operations. Risk assessment. Evaluate the likelihood and severity of potential hazards. Risk control. Implement appropriate controls to mitigate identified risks. Course curriculum. Introduction, scope, definition and references. Inspection, maintenance and certification. Glossary for type of lifts and safe lifting practices. Lift plan and toolbox meeting, categories of lifts. Main and critical components of EOT cranes and their functions. Different types of cranes, their functions with limitations and priority. Samples, design, tests, certification and inspection matrix. Daily checklists. Load integrity and stability. Evaluation of risk management of lift and hoisting. Good lifting practices. Type, proper use and maintenance of tools and tackles. Example responsibility and comments. Example of safety recommended practices and safety devices. Peruse checklists.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us or go through our website, and visit us at this address.